shipped to the waste with buckets of water nearby to put out fires. We find out how plastics were put to work in the war.
Without polythene being available, airborne radar would not have been possible.
And we hear about the ingenious ways that plastics companies got us hooked.
The hostess of the party would serve coffee and juices, and there were games that were built to put people in the proper mood to buy. It was a phenomenon.
Now let's go to a little town in New Jersey where things are really popping.
How did we get hooked on plastics? Find out in the inquiry after the news. Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Shay Stevens. Federal safety investigators are looking into reports that a Virginia rail crossing had malfunctioned before an Amtrak train collided with a truck there yesterday. National Transportation Safety Board member Earl Rayner.
We have a signals expert, and we'll be looking at the safety of the grade crossing. That would include lights, arms, signals, crosswalks, and so forth.
The wreck killed one person and injured several others in the truck. There were no serious injuries on the train, which was carrying dozens of Republican congressional lawmakers heading to West Virginia for an annual retreat. The top Democrat on the House Intelligence Committee says a vote to release a classified memo is invalid because the document was secretly altered after the vote. Adam Schiff makes the assertion in a letter to the panel's chair, Devin Nunes, who says the document shows anti-Trump bias in the FBI's Russia investigation. President Trump has until Friday to review the memo and decide whether to release it to the public. Janet Yellen has chaired her final policymaking meeting at the Fed. As NPR's John She and her colleagues left a key interest rate changed.
No rate change was expected at this meeting, and Yellen had no final public words since a press conference was scheduled. The meeting statement reaffirmed a solid outlook for U.S. economic growth and signaled continued gradual increases in interest rates. That suggests continuity as Yellen steps down on Saturday and hands off to Fed Governor and former investment manager Jerome Powell. They'll be sworn in on Monday. Yellen has been widely praised for steadily guiding the U.S. economy to near full employment and healthy growth during her four-year term. But the first woman to lead the Fed is also the first Fed chair in nearly 40 years not given a second term. John Itzty, NPR News, Washington.
For the first time in nearly 112-year history, iconic American company Xerox will be owned by a foreign entity. Randy Gordon of the member station WXSI from Rochester.
Fujifilm Holdings and the company whose name became synonymous with copiers, Xerox, say the Japanese company will take over the American firm in a restructuring that will slash expenses. The companies say that Fuji Xerox, their 56-year-old joint venture, will combine with Xerox, with Fuji owning just over half of